Adam, what happened to the truck of Adam?
It's broken by mommy.
Why was it broken by mommy?
It's broken by mommy, and he shout again with Adam.
Oh, she shouted at Adam. Why did mommy shout at Adam?
And he pack Adam
She pakpak Adam. How did she pakpak Adam?
like this.
I like that. Why did mommy pakpak Adam?
And he
Oh.
pack and Adam he pack and Adam pack mommy.
Ah, you pakpak mommy?
Yes.
That's why mommy pakpak you because you pakpak mommy. Is that right?
Yes.
Oh, Adam is matigas ang ulo. Did you say sorry to mommy?
Yes.
How will you say sorry to mommy?
Like this.
Ah, sige.
Sorry.
You say sorry, mommy.
Sorry, mommy.
Oh, I love you ka na sa kanya.
I love you.
I miss you. Sabi mo.
I miss you.
I will not pull your hair anymore.
I will not pull your hair anymore.
Oh, bye-bye mo na si mommy.
Bye bye.
See you, sabihin mo.
See you.